Hi there, I'm Marisa and welcome to Marisa Home. I'm so happy you're here. We are going to finish the series of all the felt flowers. So if you haven't checked out the other ones already, there is 7 total. I'll leave a list below, and I have a playlist also that you can check them out. And then we can make some gorgeous creations like this one, the Dream Touch. I'm really excited to share this one with you guys too. But it all starts with how to make these felt flowers. So let's get started. In this tutorial, we are going to cover how to make a ruffled rose. So let's get started. So when prepping for the felt flower, the first thing I like to do is cut out some leaves. So I have a 5 by 5 inch square of felt, and I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces. So just fold it in half, give it a cut, and then fold in half again so we have quarters, and give it a cut. And we'll do it again on this side. All right, so here we go. We have 4 pieces of felt to work with. So now what I'm going to do is cut like a convex arch on either side of these corners that are kitty corner to each other. And I just do this freehand. Just like that. And there you go. You have a simple leaf to go with any of the flowers that you want to create. So these are just examples of the different kinds of flowers that we have. So we'll go ahead and continue cutting out the rest of them. All right, now we have some leaves and we can move on to the felt flower. So we take a 5 by 5 piece of felt, and I'm using a mug here that has that's the same size, so we can mark it out. Just mark it lightly with a pencil. All right, there we go. And then we're going to cut out the circle. Side. Okay, so now in order to get the bud going, we're going to make a spiral, and we're going to do it kind of maybe like maybe a 1/2 inch to a 1/4 inch, somewhere in there. We'll cut the spiral around. We need to leave enough room so we can do the little ripple effect afterwards. So just come in here and start cutting. And we want to leave this space roughly the same all the way around. Once you get to the end, you're going to leave a bit like a tab. So when you roll up the flower together, it has a place to, one flat place that we can put some glue on, and it'll stick all together. So let me show you what we got here. So we have our circle, cut out a spiral, and now we're going to make the ripple effect. So what I do is just kind of cut out some notches. You can make them as smooth or as rough as you like, and as often as you like. Takes a little patience and time, but just enjoy the moment. A lot of times I have like music in the background or a movie playing while I'm doing this, and sometimes just peace and quiet. All right, so now that we have all of our notches cut out, let's put this back in the spiral so you can see what it looks like. We are going to take this tail end right here, the first place that we cut in the circle, and we're going to start rolling all the way to the center. Roll pretty tightly, I guess, just enough that when the bottom comes together, it's kind of like one piece. You don't have a whole bunch of holes or spaces. Okay, so this is the bottom of the flower. I like to try and keep this as flat as possible, and this is the place, and just like that, then we'll put a whole bunch of glue so it stays all together. So make sure you have your glue gun, and just hot glue that whole tab and place it over. Now sometimes I get a little luckier with my tab and it goes all the way around. This one didn't necessarily do that same thing, so I'm going to go through with glue right here, just so it doesn't unravel. See that? We don't want that. All right, so you just hold this, wait for it to dry. And then you can take a leaf and just glue it on just like that. I think I want my leaf like that. So put a whole bunch of glue. And place the flower. Place the flower on there. Hold it until it's dry, and there you go. Now I'm not putting leaves on all of the flower beds that I'll be doing because the projects that I have, I think will, the leaves won't fit, everywhere. And these will be nice little filler flowers for the projects. But there you go. And they're all going to be a little different.